Cultivating seeds is a fundamental step in the process of growing plants, whether for food, ornamental purposes, or environmental conservation. The first key aspect involves selecting high-quality seed suited to the desired plant species and the local climate. This ensures that the seeds have the genetic potential to thrive in specific conditions. Once selected, the seeds are typically sown in a suitable growing medium, such as soil or a soilless mix, at the appropriate depth and spacing. Adequate watering, temperature control, and sunlight are crucial factors in the germination process. As the seeds begin to sprout, careful attention must be paid to provide optimal conditions for their growth, including nutrition through the application of fertilizers and protection from pests and diseases. Growing plants from seeds is a rewarding journey that requires patience, dedication, and knowledge of the specific requirements of each plant species. As the seedlings emerge and develop into mature plants, consistent care is necessary to support their overall health and development. This involves regular watering, proper nutrient management, and monitoring for any signs of stress or disease. As the plants grow, considerations such as pruning, trellising, and providing adequate support become important in ensuring optimal growth and maximizing yield. Successful cultivation from seeds not only yields a bountiful harvest but also provides a deeper understanding and appreciation for the intricate processes of plant life.